Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from XIAOMI device to NOKIA X30. Begin by opening Play Store on both smartphones and installing free app called Send Anywhere. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, tap on I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. Then you can click on Not Now in this pop-up if you wish to, and close it by selecting OK. Then do exactly the same on XIAOMI. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Following that, choose Receive on Nokia smartphone and Send at the bottom left corner of your XIAOMI device. Finally, you can tap on all of those dots and choose Send in order to transfer all of your files. You can also just click on those to select all of them. I will go with only one, though, so I have to click on the photo, choose Send, and tap on Got it. Now on Nokia, click on one of those options and tap on Close this window. Finally, we have the ways to connect. We can scan this QR code using scanning icon next to input key, choosing while using or only this time, and pointing our camera at the code. But we can also input this key over here instead and tap on Receive button. Either way, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my file was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!